So with the body mocked up on our new custom frame, we can go ahead and start taking care of some of the finishing touches that we're gonna do to this vehicle, because really, we're not changing the body or the bed at all. I'm gonna be using a bunch of Dupli-Color truck bed coating on this vehicle. Now, I like the Dupli-Color truck bed coating because it is a textured, impact-resistant coating that you can do yourself, and it comes with a bunch of different application methods. If you're doing a small job, just go ahead and get yourself a quart. Big job, like an entire truck bed like this, get a gallon. And then for fine detail work, you can use the aerosol. You can also get the application gun. It just makes applying it a lot better. On this rig, we're gonna be using it essentially everywhere. I'm talking about inside the cab, under the cab, in the bed, under the bed, and then probably the most unique way that we're gonna be using it on this project is underneath this fiberglass hood. It really will finish out the inside of the look of this hood without having to do a bunch of body work and painting to it, because the fiberglass has that really kind of like green textured look right now. You don't want to see that when you open the hood. So by putting Dupli-Color truck bed coating on there, it'll really finish out the look of that. Inside the truck cab, went ahead and prepped it with a DA sander with some 80 grit, and then wiped it down as well with some of that same wax and grease remover, and then just sprayed the inside with the Dupli-Color application gun in the 1 gallon can. The nice thing about the Dupli-Color truck bed coating is it's dry to the touch in 1 hour, but you want to give it the full 2 hours before you start handling it, and you'll end up with that nice uniform finish. You can adjust the finished texture of the Dupli-Color truck bed coating by adjusting the air pressure that flows through the gun, or Dupli-Color says you can also try trimming the length of the rubber hose to get the texture that you want.
This tip is brought to you by Dupli-Color. Restore, restyle, and protect your vehicles in your garage.
I got half the inside of the tub done. I'll go ahead and finish out the other half, and then we'll just let this dry. We're actually gonna move on to the rear suspension, sort of off gas for a little bit. So for now, moving on to the suspension.